The JSE Combined Index lost over 2,000 points last week, or about 1%. 121 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, August 9, 2024. 36 made gains, 72 lost value, and 13 stayed the same. 75 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $210 million. Omni was the week's most traded stock. It lost 2 cents to open the week at 92 cents. Wigton traded the second highest. The stock lost 2 cents to open Monday at $1. And One rounded out last week's most traded with 7 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 5 cents to close the week at $1.02. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. AS Bryden was the market's biggest gain, up 25% to close the week at $38.98. CAC 2000 was the week's second biggest gain, up 23%, and Key Insurance was up 20% to close the week at $2.59. On the losing side now, Margaritaville Turks was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost almost 20% to open Monday at $11.95. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy was down 18%, and ISP Finance Service lost 16% to close the week at $21. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index lost 8 points, or about 1% last week. Massey was the most traded stock. The stock's price remained unchanged to open Monday at $3.58 TT. Angostura Holdings was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 3%, starting the week at $18.05 TT. And on the losing side, JMMB was down 7% to open Monday at $1.05. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was up almost 2% last week, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq gained 3%. Over at the pumps, 87 gas fell 6 cents last week, while 90 dipped 7 cents. Diesel prices dipped $3.06. In foreign exchange, it took an average $157.82 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 8 cents more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $116.23 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $200.72 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $174.82 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were up 7% over the past 5 days, trading at $59,094 US on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum prices climbed 15%, trading at $2,686 US on Monday.